A factory reset restores your T-Mobile 5G gateway to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords and parental controls. This is useful for troubleshooting connectivity issues, clearing potential malware, or preparing the device for resale. T-Mobile gateways like the Arcadian KV21, KVD22, and KVD23 models can be reset using either the button method or the web UI method. Remember that a reset will erase your settings, so use it as a last resort. There are two methods to reset your T-Mobile 5G gateway. For the button method, first power on the gateway. Locate the reset button on the back or bottom of the device. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Release when the status light flashes rapidly. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the device to reboot automatically. For the web UI method, connect a device to the gateway's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a browser and enter the default IP address 192.168.12.1. Log in using the credentials, typically admin and password. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Confirm a full reset. The gateway will reboot, which may take 3 to 5 minutes to reconnect.